Aw, how sad. We got a dead birdie over here. Well, I'm gonna find a place to bury it. Let's see if I can find a place back here. Welcome to the jungle. Maybe right over here somewhere. Right here looks good. Yeah, it's pretty soft. Alright, well, I'm gonna get digging until I can bury this bird. I'm gonna put you over here. I'll see you later. Alright, you come up now. Sorry for that. I actually needed 2 hands so I could dig the hole. Not very exciting upload, but I got my hole. Let's go bury the birdie. A good thing that Sam doesn't come up here, so that's why I wanted to go up there. I know I got to mow in here, but it's just too wet right now. Maybe this weekend if everything dries up. It's a shame. I don't know what kind of bird it was. It's like its head got cut off. That's a shame, isn't it? So sad. I don't know, maybe it flew into the wall and head popped off. Told you it's very hard to do this with one hand. Sure, Theo, you can come help and bury the birdie. All right, let's pack it down. Okay, let's have a moment of silence. Dear God, this was a nice bird. We're so sorry that it had to go. May it rest in peace in your name. Amen. All right, so please watch my previous video. It's a little more exciting than that one. I know you just like seeing me bury a dead bird. Darn sweet gum balls are all around again. I know I gotta clean the bird bath out again too. But with all that rain that we had yesterday, it was just a mess. So, and that's that. That's done. Oh, Tweety, my loves. I forgot to send it to you. My bad. So who else likes flowers? You like flowers? Good. So there's more. These come up every year. Yep. So look, we got more coming up in there. Our irises are coming back. That's awesome. Look, see, they're growing in the yard. No. Ah, look at that. Crystal 84. I gotta reply back to you. I'm so sorry I didn't get back to you. So, you know, sometimes when, you know, there are moments where you just don't want to be on your phone and you just want to sleep or you're doing something else and you just got things you got to do and, you know, you can't always be on your phone. I mean, I live with my parents and my mom's always saying, you need to get this done. You need to get that done. You know, and I'm going to have to go in and do the dishes soon. So, yeah. Oh, look, that one's coming up. And that one's coming up too. Cool. I can't wait to put flowers down there. That's going to be exciting. Yep. Well, let's check and see how Margie TV sign is doing. No, I really wasn't going to do another video, but I just felt like it. That looks pretty good. It stands up nice too. That's cool. It's cool like that. It's cool like that. See? Like I was telling you in my last video, where you have to write it backwards. There it is. So what I need to do now that the part it's dry, I started to put the glitter on before, but it was just too wet. So now I'm going to put the glitter on the outside, and then I'll probably do a glitter right in here too. So, but shout out to everybody. Shout out to you. Spin that wheel, and I'll see you later.